In this video, we will start our unit number 3, that is function in Python programming. So, first of all, I would like to ask one question, that what is function? I will explain with logic what is function in Python programming. Imagine you brush your teeth every morning. Instead of remembering every step every day, your brain stores it as one task called brush teeth. A function works exactly the same way. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we write it once and call it whenever needed. Like we write print welcome, print how are you. Again we write print welcome, print how are you. Again we write print welcome and again print how are you. Same code repeated. With function we define greet, print welcome, print how are you, call it greet, greet and greet. Logic behind it, one function go to many calls, then less code, then easy maintenance. Then next one is, why do we use functions in Python programming? Logic behind it, suppose your project has 5000 lines of code. If one calculation changes without function, then it goes next to you edit 100 places with functions. Now next we go to you edit only one place. This is called code reusability. Function syntax. First we will define like def add square bracket, not square bracket, simple bracket a comma b, then we return by colon return a plus b. Breakdown is def means I am creating a function. Function name is add and parameters are a comma b. Start a function body colon, then we return sends result back. Function call add 5 comma 3. What happens internally? Python creates memory a equal to 5, b equal to 3, then it return 5 plus 3, then answer will be 8. Then if we write a equal to 5, b equal to 3, return 5 into 3, then it gives 15. If we write a equal to 5, b equal to 3, return 5 minus 3, then it gives 2. If we write a equal to 5, b equal to 3, return a modulus b, then it return 2 as output. Now return statement logic. Without return, we define add print 5 plus 3. Output will be 8, but x equal to add bracket x become none, because function returned nothing. With return, we define add return 5 plus 3. Now x equal to add, x stores 8. Now we will see parameters versus arguments. Most asked interview question. What are parameter? Variable inside function definition is known as parameter. We define add a comma b. A and b are parameters. Think empty boxes a and b. Arguments, actual value are known as arguments. At 10, 20 is actual value are known as arguments. 10 and 20 are arguments. Logic parameter equal to empty box. Argument equal to value placed inside box. Lesson 2. Keyword arguments. Normal call. Student bracket Rahul, 20, BCA. Python checks first value as name, second value as age, third value as course. Keyword call. Student bracket age equal to 20, course equal to BCA, name equal to Rahul. Logic now. Python does not care about position. It searches by name, name equal to, age equal to, course equal to. It is more readable. Lesson number 3. Default arguments. We define power, base, exponential equal to 2, logic. Python says if user does not provide exponent, I will use 2 as exponent. Example, power 5, internally base equal to 5, exponential equal to 2, output is 25. If power 5, 3, Python ignores default, uses exponential equal to 3, output as 125 because 5 to the power 3 is 125. No, sorry. Exponents 3, output is 125. Python ignores default value. Why default parameter must be last? Def add a equal to 5, b. Python gets confused. Suppose add 10, a equal to 10 or b equal to 10. It gets confused. Ambiguity, therefore default arguments always come at last. Variable length arguments. Logic, suppose user enters 2 numbers or 10 numbers you don't know, instead of defining add a, b, c, d, e. Use define add into arguments. Python packs everything into tuple. Add 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it goes to argument, then it goes to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now loop easily keywords. Logic instead of values user sends. Like name equal to Rahul is equal to 20, city equal to Delhi. Python packs them into dictionary. It is in curly bracket, name Rahul is 20, city Delhi. Very useful in APIs. Then our next lesson number 4 will be Lambda function. Normal function, we define the square of x, return x into x. Lambda square equal to lambda x into x. Logic, when function is small, one line, temporary, no need to write def return name, just use lambda. Why used in sorting? Suppose students a, 90, b, 80, c, 95 want to sort by marks. Python asks what should I compare? Lambda replies take second element s square bracket 1. Done. Now global and local variables. Global variables outside function are known as global variables. X equal to 10, everyone can see it. Local variable inside function def, so x equal to 5, only function can use it. Logic, think of global variable, then it goes to public path, everyone can enter, then it goes to local variable, your bedroom, only you can enter. Why global keywords? Without global, Python creates new local variable, original stays unchanged. Lesson number 6 is recursion. Most important topic, definition, function calling itself. Example, factorial. 5 factorial is equal to 120 as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 as 120. Logic, instead of solving everything, function says, I know how to solve one small problem. Factorial of 5, then it goes to 5 into factorial of 4, then it goes to 4 into factorial of 3, then it goes to 3 into factorial of 2, then it goes to 2 into factorial of 1, then goes to 1, then answer return upward, known as 120. Base case, most important. If n equal to 0, return 1. Logic, this tells recursion stops here. Without it, function keeps calling itself forever. Result, recursion error.